LT Sport Cargo Net Set is ideal for rear cargo storage in trucks, cars, vans, SUVs, and more. The net is stretchy for easy loading, and it is perfect for keeping your sports gear, suitcases, or even groceries contained. The size is 41 by 23 inches, made by high-quality nylon and rubber band, which provides you with a durable net. The plastic hooks are removable. They allow you to attach the net to any kind of loops. And we also provide self-mounting nets for those vehicles that do not have tied-down rings or loops. There are 4 ways to use the net. First, find the loop on each side and attach the net as shown. Now you can place your items onto the net pocket. Second, you can attach the plastic hook to the net and attach the net as shown, and lay the net on the trunk floor. Place the items underneath the net. Third, remove the head support and attach the net. Put the head support back and attach the 2 last points onto existing loops on your vehicle. If your car doesn't have loops or tie-down rings, you can use a self-mounting set. Peel off the tape and attach the mounting points on the desired place. Insert the screw and use a drill to make a hole. Now you can attach the net on.